I'm excited to announce our latest LangChain Academy course, Autonomous Agent Improvement with LangSmith Engine. The best organizations have figured out how to ship agents repeatedly, safely, and systematically. They've established a continuous agent development lifecycle. Build, test, deploy, monitor, and then repeat, so that they can learn from real usage and iterate quickly. They know that rapid iteration is the key to building reliable production agents. But until now, engineers have had to manually review traces, identify patterns, write evals, and deploy fixes. That's why we built Engine, an agent designed to improve your agent for you by automating the agent development lifecycle.
The goal of this course is to show you how Engine can help take your agent from its first run to a production-ready system through continuous cycles of improvement. You'll start by learning the fundamentals of the agent development lifecycle. Then, you'll set up Engine and watch as it investigates your traces, identifies issues, and proposes its own fixes. Next, you'll run the experiments that Engine creates for you to verify that these fixes actually work. Then, you'll deploy and watch as Engine monitors for live regressions. By the end of this short course, you'll join the likes of Vanta, Campfire, and Cogent, and have your very own automated agent engineer working alongside your team.
I'm excited for you to dive in and learn how to use Engine to autonomously improve your agents. You can enroll today.